In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. We're diving straight into this wonderfully simple and effective tool that helps visualize your data in a colorful and easy to understand manner. So, let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to prepare your data. Think of it as setting the stage for your chart. Begin by arranging your information in two neatly organized columns within Google Sheets. This is crucial as it sets the framework for what will become your pie chart. For instance, imagine you have categories of fruits like apples, bananas, and mangoes, with corresponding values like 30, 20, and 50. Here, in the first column, you'll have your categories. These are our labels. In the second column, enter the values associated with each category, which will form the slices of your pie chart. Next, with your data arranged, it's time to select it. Highlight both of your columns, ensuring you include the headers, because these help in identifying each slice within the pie chart. By doing this, you're ensuring that Google Sheets knows exactly what data you want to present visually. Once you've highlighted the relevant columns, we'll move on to inserting the chart. Head over to the menu at the top and click on Insert, and then select Chart. Instantly, Google Sheets will do a bit of magic and create a chart for you. Now, it might not be a pie chart to begin with, but don't worry, we've got that covered. This brings us to the next part, which is changing the chart type to a pie chart. Look over to the right panel where you'll find the chart editor. This tool is essentially your dashboard for customizing everything about your chart. Click on Setup, and then you'll see an option for chart type. Tap on this option, and from the drop-down menu, switch it to Pie Chart. There you have it, a simple pie chart to visually communicate your data. Once you make this change, the chart on your sheet will now transform into a beautiful pie chart. Each slice will represent your data categories proportionally according to their values, making it easy to grasp the information at a glance. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. You can further customize your pie chart by exploring other options in the chart editor, such as adjusting colors or adding labels for clarity. And that's all there is to it. You've just mastered how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets, an intuitive tool for showcasing your data. Feel free to experiment with different data sets and enjoy how easily Google Sheets brings them to life. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video where I'll walk you through another exciting feature.